Kengi?
Ke Lejobane.
Lejobane ke Leblom.
Ba le tse ba itse wrong.
Lejobane ke eng?
Ke Leblom.
Oh.
Ke Mbali.
Story goes like, so there's a lady, Barry Unal 31 years old. She was 31 years old yesterday. Let me just put it like this way. She was
So
30,
still is
she was 31 years old yesterday, and then
Okay.
she met this guy, and then she's saying, as now she is 95 years old, she's
Guys, did you see Winnie Mandela ba rona le basadi ba ithu ba rapileng Mojita?
Winnie?
Basadi ba ithu ko Winnie Mandela ba
Oh.
rapileng Mojita.
Okay.
My God.
But science, you know what science will say to her? Science, there's nothing we can do. It's either your family or switch off the machines.
Really, nali some today not so ale ngwana cause ana tsolo motho mole na le smart. I think at the age of 5 or 6 years old she was able to read the newspaper, man.
So-
Also be become a palat.
Ufuna ukuthini kimi?
I look bengifuna ukusho.
Because ngiyabona ufuna ukungidelela.
Ngiyafuna ukukhuluma.
Yeah, ufuna ukungidelela. No, ufuna ukungidelela. Na ingane lokuthi bafuna ukungidelela. So the people, they should just go and better their life as much as bathi siyatswafa nathi shiyeni la
Ritswafa.
nokutswafa bethi sale sinyala sidlala sichamala sidlala angisho siyanya siyadla.
Yes, true that. Kanti nabafazi bayenza le. Mina bengithi semadodeni nje kuphela.
Amadoda asithakatha.
Madoda athakatha.
Yeah.
Uyathakatha wena.
Hayi hlaka John. Okay, mutseba kasigada. I know him. Think we are, it's fine. But the babahambisa ngakhona bathi mabahambe baye if ba nyaka lokisha dilo batla lokisha dilo and they will come back here if lo gona nto ba itlisha mo ina le mohola ankere so the people, they should just
Vusa uyivusa willing liso uzoyilalisa willing. So
Sila sivusani kanti wena nokusililisa nivusani.
no, because lady saying they were raping him but
Oh.
that's what she said.
ukhathala noma jealous.
Khathala mfethu ngikhathi jealous ngaba bathi postile ukuthi fuck pirates. Ukuthatha khona vele besazi ukuthi uyothatha.
Oh,
Ora re ubithi bikabetha pirates mara bolela nnete.
what dear? Basale baswa. Asabahlakaja ke selo. Anything is possible.
Pirates ya betha.
But I knew gore
Are ska itjela fast
Azama
re kalwa
ke
ekala le bo
pula.
ubithi. Hey.
what it is.
Everybody looks so
Um,
exhausted. Okay, what's going on, everyone? Are you guys okay? It's like is it Kiki Pirates? Give all the pirates. What's going
No,
on?
I for one,
No.
I'm a Pirates fan.
Okay.
And I was on my way back, ne?
Yeah.
Early busy with Lala, and you know I'm listening, yeah, and I'm like, I'm happy, but inside,
But
I don't know, maybe it's this day, man.
what's going on today?
Do we look?
Is everyone okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm tired as I say.
Yeah.
My timing will be a change obviously. Active.
Active ngikhathele.
Ukhathazwe yini
Na-
ngoba ubuke receive izwi lika uNkulunkulu.
Nali receiver John, first of all, I think he's tired.
Akara bara nakubale bare I receive.
No.
Wabona re ntwe ke activity.
Now khona it's not like namhlanje bengiyosonta yabona like
Oh.
bengiyo practice yabona.
Oh.
Yeah, I see angithi 2016 years yabona. So
Okay.
yes, it's
Ni-
youth
benipractice act drama.
No. Wey, ucula yaba.
Ucula. Ucula ingoma za youth. Like take us
Freedom is coming tomorrow.
ka youth day.
No.
Remember the day
Izisonto
for
mama
you.
yabona.
Okay.
So i-conference yabona. Ama-branch wonke
Oh,
ayohlangana,
badirile
ama-youth.
event ka okay.
Yes.
Oh, it's a competition.
Yes.
Is
it's
it a competition?
Yes, it's a
Hi.
competition.
You are singing.
Yes.
Uyacula.
Ow, I'm an artist mfethu.
Asali.
I
Uyacula na.
didn't know.
Awushaye ngengoma eyi-1 lapho.
You singing.
So le ngoma elisicula is based on isonto or is based on June 16.
Isonto.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they just made
Ye-
but for
you-
June 16 by the be interesting, but there is something entertaining for Greg for Jajide.
Yes, yes.
So yeah. Night first I thought maybe because it's June 16. Go Greg nya go sontong la hene. Le ba practice ba pere di uniform tse ba tlo di aparang ka June 16.
Oh.
Ba practice hore ba tlo bontsha bana hore ka June 16 what happened, meaning maybe you will be one of the kids that were wabo, and then ghost but they were mukukile, and I guess you be the policeman.
Yeah.
I'll be the
Yeah.
cameraman.
Why not policeman?
Once in a little praise.
Le menemen le police ba bereka le
Le
mago.
shoti.
O bone go movie ke bona. Ai mago a ma shoti ama menemen o phela tsa male mago a
Ke le wall, voice le shoti ke le tseba.
O tla mo hongere.
na ke ba ba don't give me one mention. Badade so badade. Anyways, hello guys, we are
Eh.
back. We are better. I don't know why we tired, but the fact that we are here, amandla
Mentally.
Shai, ika warrior energy.
it would definitely come back because go makatsa, go shockering, go shocked, delicious.
Oh,
You guys,
wave.
now when I keep quilling this week,
What's going on?
I don't want anything that has to do with them. And I'm not gonna tell you before you introduce yourself, Sazi.
Nna bekusithi ke re wa thoma wa tseba without
Nah,
the introduction.
never, ngeke. Let's gaca sifuna umfana umpedi athi lakhala mkhaxo
Yeah.
akwishisha, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay.
Alright, so Briaka.
Okay.
Welcome back to another episode of Facts and Laughs Buffet. Yes, this is your host. Ke a yena kana la madiam nna mosepedi ga itse mapula na masaka cha piski na nana boy ke mokale pheko se se wa nka se ke shaka nna ka ngwana ja khala ka monedi ma tepe sam ja ke ke ba ram phela la makheko se kole sa mentse le magale a ja ke chava rite ke na ba ke compana kwa.
Ai tshile o ibethile magalia o mokwile le ho ngwana wa ritile wena o mokwile mfana kundingu kwakho angazi ukuthi namhlanje mhlawumbe usishangale ukuthi tsatsa njengoba sefikile, so masiza uma timing ukuthi usishangale.
Vamakwerhu namfushela amakambe. Yo, haleluya. Yazi ngikhuluma i-era ngelanguage yami.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vamakwerhu.
Asukuzanga ngoba
It's eminently safe because I mean I thought you're doing good, and I'm like now he's introducing himself, and then again I don't sure he praise God and get so hallelujah na ke re wa tsakanya ke re what again.
Hayi namfushela nakambe vamakwerhu. This is a boy inzamba mayambala nzumba sidzuvani. Hey,
yeah, tsuba marafaso.
Guys, what is Duvan?
Manyikani.
What is this Duvan? What is I don't want to say what is that, so let me just say Duvan is raure.
Isivani it's inkyali nyoni le yakhona ngazi kuthini igama la ekuyi explain yabona, but it's a bait.
Kingi?
Ke lejobana.
Lejobana ke le blom.
Ba le tsheba itse wrong.
Lejobana keng?
Ke le blom.
Oh.
Ke mbali.
Hayi khona yakubulala ntombo.
Ke le fotowana.
Oh, ke le fotowana.
Yeah.
Wa selela.
What? We are gaga ke le foto as oh my god. Ngwana o wrong. No wonder she's a ghost. She's fun where she is. Anyway, guys, welcome back. We are better. We are here again. I am your girl, Dawson, aka Mama Bantwana. I love you so much, girls. And I get some one.
Aye.
Samale machita.
Yes.
I don't want to say much about
Alright. Hi, everybody. It's Happy Ghost, the prettiest ghost you'll never see.
Good.
Aye.
And it's
welcome
true.
back.
Now we are here. We are here.
Hey. Mathabi wongazi ngaphela uyasibona ukuthi sincintshile phela le camera ikhatha kuwe sibani.
ngiyenze njani
Buya.
Le camera ikhatha kuwe straight.
Buya.
ngihambile ne
Hey.
Ile nto zakhe zokuthi
Sengibuyele.
aqala athi ngibonile ukuthi ekugcineni sobe sithe
Sengibuyele.
athi yeah right the whole
Ayikho
feeling
the
ngakhona.
way.
Yeah, now we listen right.
Hey.
We are back,
Ah,
guys.
bengihambile vele
Yeah.
So ufuna ukuba i-ghost. Sithathe i-ghost lady silethe ngapha.
Angeke
sithole
sikhona. Ngeke sikhona. I don't want good lady next
No,
to
we
us.
can't.
No, we don't want her. She's fine where she is. Oh my god.
Mara
no,
on her
no.
birthday, angithi sivumelene ukuthi on her birthday you're gonna sit here. You're gonna be the host.
Yeah, and we'll be asking, and we cannot hate to be full. Why are you acting all surprised?
engathi
I'm
uyo
very
surprise
shocked.
yeah
How?
No,
Le idea ize ngabo mara ngathi surprised manje basikhuluma ngayo kanjani?
I think it was me. I'm the one
Oh,
who
it was
said
you,
that.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah, it
I'm
was
the one who
Tosin,
said
yeah.
she should, because now, yeah, she will.
kodwa engathi uvumile
she?
angithi
She
Hey.
yes.
yeah
Should she?
Yes.
Yes,
sure.
it's done. It's done. It's deal. Bona bangkweru ne? Bangkweru.
Vanhu va
Makweru.
emakwerhu.
makwerhu
Imakweru. Yeah?
unyakoreng
Memo Onyakori
Yeah.
first before Rutusha. What do you wanna say?
No,
then
guys.
let us translate.
Hey, it's Amaili. I'm so fucking trying to keep. You know what? I'm trying to bring it back. You know, kwenzeka mongaba broke vele yonke into inokuthi uyibambile ngisho ithi sa. I know, cause now I'm trying to remember what I was trying to say. Kutla chelete eri mali. So masiyekeni bafethu. Isigaxa sa this week. Angazi ngeseni, but mine
What's
it's nice.
going
Yes, Nzuru, you got something else. Say, Lord.
I don't know why I'm saying it's nice, because
Eh.
mine it's scary. It's not nice, guys. It's so scary. Because I'm a mother and I have a daughter.
Oh,
I have
yeah.
daughters. I love my kids and I don't want anything to do with my baby girls.
Yeah,
Oh, Nkosi yami. So now, hi man. And you know how this story is important and it's in Kazang again, you know? At that moment you are so interested in it, you definitely want to understand what exactly it's happening. Because of South Africa, or let me just say, I want to say South Africa because I didn't go anywhere else. Because of South African AI and different stories every day. How such about Ingi?
Yeah.
You get my point. The moment you are shocked, like, is this true? And then you see this
AI.
when you scroll, you see this other. So okay, fine. This girl is trending because of 1, 2, 3. But now the problem is the story is a one. Marabiano go change the man. Is it the man from Africa or from South Africa? Well, I understand it's a lot, but the story goes like so. There's a lady, Barry Unal 31 years old. She was 31 years old yesterday. Let me just put it like this way. She was
So
30,
still is
she was 31 years old yesterday, and then
Okay.
she met this guy, and then she's saying, as now she is 95 years old, she's explaining her 31-year-old story, which she was 31-year-old yesterday. Today she's 95 years old.
Okay, ngani manje wena?
Okay.
Wa re botsorotsego.
no ngisafuna uku-understanda leyo
Today and yesterday part.
yes
Oh, angithi sazofika lapho
Okay.
ukuthi kwenzakalani.
So uhambe namhlanje.
okay
She uhambe namhlanje. Alright. Then she met this handsome guy. Ne? And then she thought, now that, so she's saying that, I nami ngoba nje umjolo ngihlukumezile Nkosi yami yabo. So naye umfana ufuna uqala impilo ngabusha. You understand? So now that I'm single and then he wanna start afresh to be this better person and groom himself, this and da, we met. Angir.
Yeah.
And then awusayenza phela ngisho sabantu abadala. Balala.
Yes.
Balala. So manje ugeli uthi nami ngimangala sebamangala bamangala mina nami ngimangala mina. Uyayibona injani?
Ke ni mangala umofe.
Endlini angiri the girl was with the guy today.
yeah.
They did what they did.
Yeah.
The next morning the girl went to her place. When she get home, aliko kamre. Nangu sekayashintsha. Uyabona?
Oh.
Uyaqala kuri how they are saying it, I was not there. Mara ngithukile. Wampona karnikile there.
Yeah,
Because now I mean, I closed my eyes. I wanted to understand what was happening. Because now, hey guys, man, it's a miracle. Give me call if it's true. I don't know if
Not if it's true that thing.
I saw a lot of them different. I had to even hear the 95-year-old yesterday 31 year lady there explain gore mina bengithi ngicala impilo. We understand kukhuluma yena kusho yena lezi zinto lezi ngizwe ngayi guys. It's not me.
So kupa understand nami lady
Mhm.
ore ngonyana o na le 31 years
Mhm.
ane
Mhm.
o bilele out ba etsa di dates tsa bona
Mhm.
after aya ko habo
Mhm.
then about 94 years
Bathi 95.
95
Mangafika endlini after some
A change.
isikhatshana nyana
change.
a change. Then that's when nami ngibengifisa ngathi ngabe ngikhona lapha endlini kimone gore u change like
Like, I
guys
wanna
it's so
know, did
scary.
she change like drastically with like same day? I change into like, or like
Eish.
time goes, time goes,
Yeah,
time goes,
you be
and then
more.
I change.
She changed same day. No
same
times
day.
go cause I explain into lori benginaye ngathi mangifika endlini wathi sokuyamangalwa. So into lori cause yena she's saying now bathi mabahamba libona ngirahamba. Angirahamba vele cause nami yeah mabahamba they were told that ugeli umhambele ngaphandle. So now, as I thought, now the rumors are saying the guys from outside, abango bar the guys from Limpopo.
The guy's from Limpopo, actually.
Bar the guys from Limpopo. Yeah? It's from where?
Limpopo.
From Limpopo.
Okay.
You guys, what the fuck? What's wrong? Yeah, I heard that they said the guys from that side or from Obo. So I was like, yeah, where does this guy come from? And then there this guy who confirmed yes, but it's Limpopo. And then now Lueno just confirmed that he's from Limpopo. So, okay, if the guy is from Limpopo, which means the girl is from where? The woman who witchcraft the men that if the men sleep with others they should get old.
They should get old.
This lady, where does the girlfriend comes from?
So it means
ugogo.
the girl is from outside.
Mara ugogo uthi
The healer, maybe the
healer cause uthi
yeah.
ungihambele abantu
Maybe the
bangaphandle
spirits,
bangaphandle ugogo makasho manje
Eh.
sekugogo phela ngisho ngoba seka ile khunjana I don't like kunzima nokuthi ukhulume ngayo lengane ngoba lo
Can I guys play you the video we are fine?
play it
Eh,
ngiyacela
play it?
please
Oh.
lena tswetswe ka Jesu Ramasedi
Plainly enough.
no I just want you to play
babone
it
the
yes
old
please.
gogo ba bolelang ka yena.
Yes, cause now nempahla igcokile bandla. You know it's so crazy. You even feel like it's an act. Cause now kikukune, she's wearing nale mpahla leza asuri impahla zabu gogo. Mara cause angisho sigo sigqoko ugogo. Shechile impahla zabu gogo kamncwanzi omready and yabona makase lapha ya angisazi manje sokukhulisa ingane or ukukhulisa umuntu
masamba
uyelo
lalela.
ababonayo bathi ilumbo cause baningi abantu sesibahambile futhi nakhona basisiza abanye bathi ngathwetshulwa abanye bathi ngathweswa isilwane omunye uthi ngakhozi nginani isigaxa siqhoboshile nje la engazi ukuthi sani omunye wathi ilumbo ngakuthola kumuntu engangikade ngithandana naye shuthi wayekade ecushiwe waqamba amanga ukuthi akanaye umuntu kanti unaye umuntu angazi noma wayeqinisile ngempela yini kodwa nje zona zinto ephafama ukuzisho lezo-ke
Bhekani namanyawo.
ukuthwetshulwa
Okay. Udadewenu nangilo oganele yena obesithinda.
sisihle
Yes ngoba lokho esenda ama voice note sichazile ngodaba lakhe ecela usizo. Siya kule othi uyivezwa abantu ke laba kuthiwa abanamanga ababonayo singakuboni thina abanye bakebo. Njengoba nawe usho uthi bathi ukhona nomuntu obonayo ebudlaneni sisa.
akekho kwamanje ngaphandle kwalo engagcina ngayo kuthiwa ngakuthatha kuyena
Ngisho yena impela uyagcina ngayo.
inkinga ukuthi angimazi
Owaphi nihlangana kanjani manje?
Akamazi.
sebenza nami ngisebenza
Nisebenzela kephi?
bengisebenzela eSenlusha
Kwakungowakephi lo muntu?
wathi umsuthu ngowaseLimpopo kodwa unomuzi Stenga
Okay.
so wathi akathanda namuntu ngoba vele nami ngangisingile ngaleso sikhathi ngifuna ukumuva
Mara
on.
makakhuluma umntwana.
So ngamuva on-ke naye ngazi ukuthi akathanda namuntu kodwa wayeshilo ukuthi uney'ngane ey'mbili uma wey'ngane sebahlukana naye
Yeah.
yebo So ke sambatha ke lelo suku olulodwa lolo ngagula angazi kwenzakalani nami kodwa
Only one
mangiya
night stand.
laba
Yeah.
bamanga bathi umuntu engathandana naye cause yena umuntu engagcina
Cause namanje
ngithandana naye uyena kuphela engimaziyo
ungathi wathanda naye owalala
and
naye.
mabesho bathi lento engayithatha kulo muntu lo umuthi babemlokhu nje ngawo akusiwona umuthi wala umuthi abawulanda emazweni so nami ngangingazi ngangithi ngimuva on ngiqala relationship nomuntu ngoba naye ethi ufuna ukuqala phansi impilo kodwa ngangingazi ukuthi yena ungiqambela amanga kanti ukhona athandana naye shuthi umuntu wakhe wayemcuphile ngeke ngize ngazi noma iqiniso ngempela noma kanjani cause lokho-ke ukuthi ukugula ilumbo leli enginalo akuthatha kumuntu wesilisa kodwa-ke kungena kwami kugula-ke ngaze ngaba nje angikhoni ukusizakala kubantu besizulu bahambile inqwaba abanye bathi ngangena umuntu omdala isithunywa somuntu omdala osekhulile abanye bathi moya nakho ukuthwetshulwa lokhu bayakubani ukuthi ngathiwe sisilwane kodwa futhi akekho khonayo kungisiza.
Uneminyaka emingaki manje?
Ngina-31 ngazalwa mhla ka-3 July 95.
Okay. Ngicela sibuyele kuyena la, ufuna ukugxila kuyona leya lo muntu lo. Engigcine nithandana naye. Unambatha kanye naye waqhubeka wambona yena emsebenzini ukuthi nakho nginenkinga la ngiyagula.
Cause ngangazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So ngabe sengiyeka mina emsebenzini. Cause bese singasa communicate. Angazi kwenzakalani cause sambatha nje wawumuntu yabo lento yokuzibana ukuthi wathula nami ngathula. Kwathi ngelinye ilanga ngena ku WhatsApp ngambona epostile nomuntu wakhe. So ngangafuna ukukhuluma nami ngavitane ngayithulela cause ngabona ukuthi shuthi vele wayengiqambela mangimayethi akanayo umuntu.
Okumboneni ngokwenyama mhlambe ubusakwazi ukumbona emsebenzini before yeke?
Bengasamboni.
Wamgcina nini?
Amgcina ngawo 2022 ngiqala ukugula. Angiphilanga ngambona.
Ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi kungaconfuseki because udadewenu uthe wambatha naye emva kwalokho ngakusasa anisamtholi.
Hayi ngikhuluma naye kodwa nje kwaba khona lento yokuthi abona kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi wayezengonto wayekade ezengayo ukuthi wayengangithandi ke yena. Wayefuna khona ukumbatha kodwa nje after that sesimbathile akubanga khona nje lokho kuqhubeka ukuthi bekhombisa ukuthi uyangithanda wabe sengiziba engasafoni mangimfonela engafoni emakuthi uhambe waya emzini wakhe lo Sesteng mangimfonela ngingamtholi ebe nama excuse.
Udabuka elisotho koLimpopo?
Yebo wathi ngowasela Limpopo kodwa unomuzi la Stenga kodwa ngingakaze ngiye ngoba ngangikade ngisabuma so sasiya la ahlala khona la emsebenzini ngoba wayenendlu ngaphakathi emsebenzini ngaleso sikhathi.
Namthola?
Angizwanga.
Anikaze niphindeke nikwazi ukuthi nimthola?
Siphindanga sa-communicate ngoba nami ngabe sengilahlekelwa ifoni ngangikade ngisebenzisa ngaleso sikhathi leso. Angiphindanga ngazi ngayo ukuthi uphi kanjani. Siphindanga nje sa-communicate.
Okay. South Africa sisenyangeni ye-Africa Month okuyinyanga ke yase-Africa la khona ke kubongazwa ke izwekazi lase-Africa ke so ke kuningi kodwa kwenzeka kuyemgubho ke eyenziwayo ke kuhlelwa nawo uhulumeni ngokwamazwe ngokuhlukana ukuthi kugujwe ke i-Africa. Thina ke njengenhlangano ithuleni sike sahlela ukuthi ke asike sibe neprogram esobana ngomhla ka-27 kulenyanga la khona sizoveza ke abantu abagulayo ngezifo ezahlukahlukene ngoba kuye kuvele lokho ukukhuluma ukuthi ke uma sipost umuntu uzobe naye ilumbo leli la ngaphandle uxa ukuthi
Oh, so scary.
Yeah, hey. Yo. Witchcraft, hey.
Kizoze.
Mehlola.
Thank you very much for that video because we needed it. I think we needed it, guys. we've
Or
seen-
at least
we
my
had a
time
lot.
nga understand or motho bile le 30 years and then ka o sana ba le 95 years or o bolela ka eng wa bona?
yes no ne ke re ke metlae
Oh.
yeah
Oh to se
So
loketse
guys,
ka
when
motlae
did she start getting sick? When did this happen?
Guys, I'm so puzzled. You know why? Ke bolela so. I'm just hearing a lot of stories now and living from the horse's mouth and the fact that really this guy he's lost as much as the sister and the
He's
horse's
lost.
mouth are lost. I love that he asked the lady who no man musi isitori ngasizwa kusisi because ile
Siso,
sinathi
ah.
sesizwile ukuthi it was just a one night stand, which it is, because even though she's saying it's not, but how she's explaining it is
A one
uthi
night stand,
sambatha
eh.
sangasakhulumisani kwabe labantu ukuthi siyandlulana
Siyadlulana.
jikijiki sakhuluma sachubeka wa-understand sengiyambona manje kuwumuntu
WhatsApp.
ongasangifonela ngasa-whatsapp wabona bankari
post umuntu wakhe
phela uma uthi ongwasa it means you once did, now you guys are no longer doing it. But le story lesi usisakha sikhulumayo nalesi siyiswa sikhulumayo njengoba ngafuna ukusivuma yiso yi-one night stand, and nakhona we're not even sure gore one night stand yiyo emfakile na ngoba
Eh,
uthi
'cause-
uyambuza ukuthi ukhuluma indaba engakanani inyanga yithe umunye umuntu wawuthandana
She's not sure.
naye
because,
usho
like, they've told
njalo
her
a lot of things. But it's bad that mama feeling if we
Yeah.
feel like obviously you will believe that it's your last boyfriend because it's the last person that you slept with,
slept
but
with.
now it's you just slept with. And I'm not saying you needed to be in a relationship with them for them to do you magogo. No. What I'm saying is I don't wanna like okay, we should stay away from people's husbands, stay away from people's men, stay away from, but if a guy is coming to you at Hagana Muntu, uzomuzwa kanjani wangihlela wena?
problem ke yo ka
Lena tloela mboloyi lena bana ba dimpiamane.
yeah
Ay, fuck.
Eish.
Mur.
Yes.
But if they ever
Focus.
tried
Ah.
ba re keng the medical ya doctor beside dingaka tse ba di tsamayang mmotsa gore ke o robetseng le ena, have they ever tasted something ya di doctor and then
I believe after everything ends, they are now saying, everybody help us. They went everywhere because why am I saying this? How did they know that she's 95 from 31?
oh yeah ne
Like,
cause
how
ke
did they
bone
know
le
she's 95 from 31?
someone ko commenting a postile something a bontshitse le ya o so mong le ena o re sala ba so
Aba right, man.
o re le ena o thome ena ebile mthome the early age ka 18 years a thoma ba magogo
Okay.
o re ba e bitsang ba re ke what syndrome
It's
ke
a medical
levet
condition.
ke
from what
levet
I've
syndrome
seen.
ya ona ba re is inheritary ba re ke eng syndrome ya ona so maybe le yona makoko wa ka kry le gore o tshwere ke yona syndrome
You know,
eo.
the moment we
And
start
then
gonna
rena
say
re
things
monna-
are
monna- monna
syndrome,
batho, monna
the moment
batho.
you're gonna say things are syndrome and then
Yeah.
medical, what, ke motlo ba le bothata. Mpetje di a loyana. Guys, boloi bo gone sisi ba phela because a ke kwešiše-
bona
bo
boloi bo
gone,
gona
listen,
vele ba phela
bo
re ra
gone,
bo
ne,
gona
But also it has to be like explained in science as well.
as well
Not just
eh
bolo gona, but a doctor needs to find out what is this? What's
Ah, ka
happening,
se thushe,
what's
ka se thushe.
causing
The
it.
fact that science,
Look at
you know
all
one
the
thing I hate about
attitude.
science, they always explain it and then they want us, they want it to make sense, whereas it doesn't make sense. But because it's science, they will explain you are suffering from the syndrome of what. And like a science, but will just give but mola science, but you know what science will say to her? Which science there's nothing we can do. It's either your family to switch off the machines.
No, it's not gonna be
Yeah.
like that. No. You know what's my concern now?
Mm-hmm.
Is she gonna live longer because of she's 31? Or is she gonna die
Hey,
earlier because
because
the
now
body's
she's
like
95,
95.
I think she's going to die earlier because yazi into engimangazile, I think you guys saw it inyawo zakhe.
Eish.
The voice and la phakathi komlomo njengoba khuluma,
Ubabona
you can
ukuthi
see what she's
ngumama.
still wamukala kabulela like mara njengoba like niyambona noma hlelo ukuthi akasekho akiri lampana nake namuswa wangiri wambona ke
Yeah.
so yena mara makakhuluma uyezwa ukuthi like me now I'm like this, you see, but then ngithi wangitshela ukuthi vele angazi ukuthi but nginje and ngingcono ngoba ubuso bami abukakathi
Eish.
yabona ukuthi kuni
gape ena motho la ke makoko vele le maoto vele le hutse bolela nnete le maoto a bontšha gore ke makoko ono la maoto la makoko vele
napile ha tsena
Sawumile.
ha ilo tlhapa usho ukuthi manje mele bambalance because umuntu omdala mangawa phela ngisho umuntu omdala mangawa ulimele, so umuntu omdala emzimbeni mara ngaphakathi
Sure.
mncane.
Mncane.
She's not doing well
So-
and her family is not doing well. Does she have kids?
Exactly.
Does she have a child? Does she have children?
We're not sure. Ke
Ah,
ra
re tla-
bolela.
we'll go further, but I don't think she does. Because if she did, I would join the matasa. Oh, bana ba rena nkosi yami. You know how do people do? Oh, nkosi yami. You know what do people do to our kids because of us? Bana ba rena ba otlwa because of the parents. You understand? It's not nice.
easy,
She's
Shem.
going through a lot. Even the sister, you know why? Because now when the sister passed, that enemy of my sister, uyaqala uthi, wena uzokwazi ungitshela kami nomntwana yini ogugile. Litla khona ke mehlole ya ka go le go tsofalela bana. Ke sona, guys, it's not nice. Okay, let me ask you, my timing.
Yeah.
Happy Ghost. Ayeye, if it was you guys, nina ke, and nihlangabezana nalento le, lo mdeni, I don't want to say her, lo mdeni ohlangabezana nayo. How would you guys, what would you guys do? Njengoba manje, I go home, I come back to you guys, sengigugile. I'm asking this question because someone, we had a conversation about it. I know abanye igcine bazothi, but there's a conversation that we had. I heard this guy who was saying, no, before I tell you about him, what would you do if you had someone, yeah.
I
Ke be
don't
jang?
yo. I could say we have no choice. So re mtlhokomele, yes, re ka mtlhokomela. But if you had choice, ya re go spekel ba re time mtšhini re roletse.
Wala.
So if there is no choice, vele re ka mo tšea ra mtlhokomela, re na choice, you understand?
Honest. Wena?
Hayi ya utima mshini awa but umhlokomela yeah umhlokomela accepta umoncha or ramsupporta wabona or asadi enda padi
Epula.
yes
Le no tla bana le sebetso ka epula shi tu hwile ole.
Ai na o ipolaya jwang?
I need to figure out.
yeah but
Just give it time.
O ipolaya jwang
Time.
kae
at
no mara
the
matime
end of the
jwang?
day kiki
Yeah, it's not.
wasekini
Yeah, at the
Yeah.
end of the day, like the clock is ticking me. I'm gonna die anytime soon.
Oh, I'm sorry, no. Okay, Happy Ghost, what would you do? What would you do? I want to hear this one.
Oh
What
my
would-
god. Okay,
Yes.
my honest opinion is
Yeah.
like if it was like a sister, ne,
Yeah.
I would have to take care of her.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah.
I, for one, my honest
Like if I had like money enough and stuff, like, yeah, okay, that's when like you're like orphanage and like being taken.
not
care
why
of.
orphanage?
Why
is
orphanage? Because
Not
if it-
orphanage. I
Okay.
mean, what's this thing?
Mm.
old age home
Old age home thinking.
Or no, not
nursery.
or
or e ba re keng nama ba tlhokomelang.
Yeah, yeah,
Yona
yona eo.
eo, mo ba hlokomelang batho ba baholo.
Mhm.
Because kwamogolo and I know like teka,
Ona le 95 and no.
But she's not young. Remember, she's out.
But-
She's
No,
old
like,
outside.
as a
But
person, imagine if like I have to go to work, something to change the pampers, like.
You have
I don't
fun
think
ke
we-
ka hira batho.
I don't
man.
think-
So you don't think what?
is she loose even in the? Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Obvious.
Now, if she's that, you are more than Mara.
How?
Do you think she can walk to the bathroom?
How mara
Do
luhu
you think she
jura
can
re
bathe herself?
95.
Who has to do that? If I have like a 9 to 5 job.
So when are you saying you would take her to somewhere where they will take care of her? So okay, he would if he was given an opportunity, he would khatla the machine, and then when you would obviously support, be there for your sister, make sure that she doesn't kill herself. Yes, she doesn't kill herself because already she's about to die. I love that. And when you would obviously take care of her, but make sure that you work hard so that you can have your everyday job, 9 to 9 job, so that you can take care there, right? Am I
It's
giving
gonna
a
be
shot?
like closer to my place, understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Wena.
Wena
How?
Why are you coming for me?
Because we wanna hear you.
before re kwa opinion ya motho o le no bolela le yona le yena
Le.
re kopa sepedi le sona
Nifuna ukuzwa ngami ukuthi kwenzakaleni kwenzakalani kuphi kanjani
Yeah.
ngiyacala-ke.
Yeah.
So if I had a sister who told me the story that the lady told her sister, and get if I had a sister who told me the story that the lady told her sister, and get
What are you talking about? Only if you had a sister that had the same condition.
wena,
O reng wena?
if
How?
I had a sister
Like a lady.
like a lady who just get old and get
Eh.
I'm
Oh
go-
my god. It's the Same thing. I'm
It's
saying.
the same. Akusanya
Okay,
koko
sharp.
it's the same thing.
Okay, Sharp, I don't know why is she anyaka gore nna ke address ka mokgwa ena a bonang ka re mo tsamaela. She was saying whatever that she was saying there. I didn't say gokolo. Nna if ne le ngwana ga shushem to tell to go truth be told, I love my little sisters. I love my sister. They know kwa go shuba tsore ke na le lerato too much. But if it was one of them, I can go lela makashem, God knows. I would just to make her sure. Obviously, go special like they might not give us an opportunity chance or more like because they deserve to leave. I get about 95.
If they didn't give you that chance.
Yes, I get. I'm saying yeah, but I would make it a point that I una ka mkhonga dianga wana mara a ke tlo hlakola mkhekulo monyane ka gare ka ntla go tsofetse bana le mathata batho ba telela o tlo kresta o fetolang ka re o khone o dia dilo wa nkusha mfana ke a phima le nna phima motšhini timomo phim ane khopela le ska jaja a re ska jaja na ke rile if you a bolela ka bolela le wena ya khonhliziwe eyakho igcine kanjalo ene mina ngathi if bengulo sisi kwalo yakele awubona mina manje ngiseyicathule nzale ya family manje yana mari ngiya understand uzile ukuthi mina ngicela ngokuthi if bengulo yasisi cause now kurili komphakathi ngomakatshela baba interview yankoba nina story sesidile nka rena ke sesiso wayebo so as much as I lost le nna ke le ngwanyana ke tsama ke dira dilo wayibona le dirile ngwana ola wa batho le motho faditšeng yona o wrong ngwanyana ola wa loya wena o loya neng o dileng ntwe and I just want you to live don't die I want you to live and don't get older o dume batho ba tsofala wena o ska tsofala o no phela bana ba phela ba bo fete ba kgantse mama o tsofala ke eng o bo iputso re dileng lefaseng o mpia
O fo lo ileng ne.
o wa lo ileng ngwana batho na dlala ka ntwa ya feeling ke modimo o le mona le spatch maba ya sa hae o dlala ka
le
sona
motho mara wena wa ya sanja gale so.
ngiyakutshela mfana wami abana abantu abagulayo ayikho umuntu ahamba athi koko bathi kunenye yagulisa ngiyayicela sihamba sijabulile we go there thinking that we found love asho gogo ibani mari gama lakhe ubani naye sisimbiza gogo
sekugoga
yeah
Sisgogo, sisimagogo. Defamation, what defamation about the definition of sisimagogo.
oh bakira mula oh if sisimagogo was a person
Yeah.
I understand
yeah
because you can hear the way she's talking uvoke very strong like wamukho bold and uzoba nokukhohlwa ukuthi konje ngenzani ngigugile ngaphandle mara ngaphakathi ngisasemncane I'm not saying she's like that namarikelo if nearly one of my bageshu bana ba le gona ba ba tsebang she tse ke bolela for bona because ke a batla le bana le nkane nahana she nahana ru
Nana happy kusta se tjare o ska le ba le romonyane monna ke re ka ba tjao
a tshofetsa nna ka re ene ke ene o dada ke tlo mo tsheka re go bona o bifile wena you are South Africans I hope you know sometimes into kanje Melanie's hence we touch we educate and we laugh because then we don't want ukuthi manje umuntu okhona agcine sayibulele uzule sitheni girile nanenka mara tloela buloyi kira wa 2 million wabona ya ku witchcraft yona as much as bari ke science something science
mara we are ska ba sure ke witchcraft because of iteng yona disease what ba re ke eng na
so
I've seen it on Body Pizza.
it does everything body pizza there's a person
That's why I watch Body Pizza just to like discover what
so
really
check it
can
it
happen.
is
ina le
wrong.
cure disease ye
nawo wa
No.
ra ka mogora ra ina kyo
kyo go thokofala ba dia bophelo ba bobe easy easy go bana
You know what's one of the cases that I've seen, Nick? It's like it damages. I'm not sure if it's like the same case with the skull, Nick, but like it's one of the cases I've seen. It's like it damages your brain, Nick. So if it damages like some part of the, let me just say like the nerve of your brain or something, that tells your whole body to grow. Understand? So like from
Now,
also
okay,
there's a certain
okay.
part of your brain that tells me to up to this point to up to this age, and it's up to like this pace. Understand? So like if you get like a tumor there, if you get like a brain tumor there, and then it's gonna be like make the process faster. It can make it like within a day.
within a blink of an yes true that because of how I lost my you remember like you guys ngondo your mind
ngondo ke engine yan
yes and then
Yes.
everyone will think that you are
Yes.
rich you did no your mind tells you if you are like I don't want to eat and be angry you will taka and then now the problem is now you want to go back you are eating but because you used to not finishing this two slice you like nanga sobofetch you are not gonna bofetch eat but don't get go bolaya today I bolaya so what she's saying is true because the time she was explaining mola kokune you can hear gore guys noma ndingala nobani the fact okuba uthi xa bendisebenza naye uyeva ndithini how are you forgetting noma ulibele ama-numbers and everything
Marika.
you were 31 yesterday you can still remember king logic the TikTok names the Facebook handles you know such things but to show that
And
iye
you know what's the
programmile
other thing that I picked up from her? She said she has like a bump
Ehe.
some part of her body.
When-
What if she does have tumors all over her body?
because
Yeah,
after
yeah,
that
Tumor like does
yeah.
grow like there.
that it yes hence I'm saying after now you are explaining
Hey,
it to some
motho o na le
political
mathata
sense.
motho o moholo already botsebotse.
yeah
That's what I'm saying.
Like, thank you.
medically it has to have like an explanation.
now it
Hey.
may yes cause kaniti but now that she said kunento guys truth be told story sangwanyana one
Hey.
as much as sisibambile angifuna sisicede namhlanje even though we want to continue with others as time goes but we definitely coming back some of
A
the videos
feedback,
of
man,
people
just to
who
know
have
what
such
happened.
things
All
and
the
people who have
yeah.
experienced them and to show that kannete vele e gona ka mo bophelong ba di-medical science ntontong you get my point this one I definitely will love my timing let's pin this one on the group let us
Nah.
go deeper into it let us find people who are having this and because nna ne ke potse gore o tlo ankere ne ke nagane tse boloi be ke potse gore o to fola mara ha fola ba to mmitša mapo tloga ka ntšha setšhaba ka obane jwatše no batho ba reng bana ba reng and if she does pass away if she pass away now ha ka tlhokofala no re tlo dievang pasa ya hae e jwang
A re tsebo.
oh I'm not okay
What's that?
So what will mndende?
Yeah,
good question mara wa o nyake ke a o tsa o nyake ngwanaka o nyaka
Ha o
modende o
kgonne,
tshwana le
o-
31
o dira eng? O dira
For
eng eno ka re-
maintenance.
O dira eng kore wa mmona o di
Modende.
utswa, o
mara
nna
yo
funa o e
khona
dira.
She
kanjani
doesn't have like
umndende
any
ipasi
income. She
yakhe
won't even
Pasa ya gage, but
Ah,
Umndende-
e batsa disabled, not old age,
Yeah.
disabled.
oh tlo ba
Yeah,
ka bolwetse bo ba gae
Eh,
ne
1 2.
but why are they saying so you can get so go gola no hey na tseba South Africa guys lefatshe la bofelong e le tlo fela ke le ka gare ga lona
Ya direga mo.
wa e bona I'm scared one
Mara
di
vele-
apa
mara item ka ena coming to my mind le la mo gopola ba re ke mangwana o ile Motswana ne ke ikametse phalatse
no
le ena ne le na le some today na tsoga le ngwana ka o sana tsoga le motho mo le na le smart I think at the age of 5 or 6 years old she was able to read the newspaper man a le
So-
tsebe be ikametse phalatse
at least then she was smart jwa o
mara
tsofala
le ena na le ka mokgo sometimes na tsoga kgao ile kana sometimes a tsolo mo a le right
O
ka
ka
sana
yena no.
tsolo mo o tlhokofetse no
What
people used to go to her house le ena ba tino ba donate dijo bo DJ Sbu ke mo ka o thoma mo tseba le nna ba re ke be ikametse phalatse I think so
phalatse
uh,
o itlametse
ikametse
o itlametse
Yo.
phalatse
Yes.
so guys lefatshe nna ke
so
no,
metlhole
if-
yona lefatsheng
Mm.
Yeah,
no metlhole gona ne
i-magic
because le nna I have
yaphila,
something under
so
my
magic
no
yeah
mihlola ngithi
oh so akuthi ngiyabuza ukuthi
mara e shapo metlhole ga re bitsa ka metlhole se ka isha ko segweng cause go isha ko segweng re thoma rena ka re o nana ka re metlhole ke metlae angere you for something or no you think I'm joking
ene vele sometimes le boloi wa bona motho a bolela ka boloi ke gore wa afa
Yeah,
o sa tsebe gore bona boloi le vele
yeah.
bona motho wa modiro
Manje.
ra be ka mokgo vele
Like,
ka
'cause-
boloi
it's so bad and it's so scary o bona ya today yona I know as much as o ka nyako blame ngwana gore nani ne a kheberesha ne ile nto
eiša mara
ukuthi
vele ba re
I-
wa khaberesha mara seng gore motho a o dire ka
hence
mokgo
ngithi
Ai.
it's not because nami ngingahlangana naye umfana athi anginalutho ngithi nami anginalutho badla caba ngathi si and
ene ke maka problem lo bolela maka gore mna ke
Mhla-
sengene
uthola ukuthi mhlambe kafuna ukuzitrayela into enyew umntana abantu
yes
Sasha
why
yena
abafazi
lo
bathanda
sisathi-
ukubopha abanye abantwana
Eh.
guys abafana abajola nani asabantwana benu anibazalanga langwa even if uzala ingane tlogela ngudiya masipalad young man
mina
Why do we do this?
kanti nabafazi bayenza le mina beyithi semadodeni nje kuphela
ye
Oh.
amadoda asithakatha
madoda a thakatha
ye
uyathakatha wena
hayi tlaka john okay amutleba ka sigada I know him he always have something come woza madoda
anginasigaca mina
Yeah.
Idume.
angithi kunale nto le beyidumile lokhu nto le ukuthi no ayithi ngingakhuluma ukuthi hamba bani amadoda
amazulu
eyi wayisho
hawu
eh.
wena ukamara nqonda ama-timing
no ikhona nje le ukuthi amadoda amazulu they're very much capable of mshango ukuthi
ukuyibopha ukuthi mawungenile
Oh, ngenile
ungasaphumi.
ungenile.
ukuthi
Oh.
uyichacha
mara mara nayo leya bengifuna ukuthi iclist mara nayo kuyafana kunayo iclist
mangafuni ke anomona umuntu wakhona kwamele
Yeah.
bayikhathi
Yeah?
i-4 FM
hawo
Wakhathi 4 FM.
uyophuma kanjani ke
kompona isihlezi
Hamba
sithi
waya
Guys, kulebukwana, you remember that one, the one that used to trend? It was on. It is Mojala for Mzansi Magic. The guy ubidije Thembi Banyaka Tusho umfazi. Angazi, no, it's not Thembi. I'm sorry, Thembi. There's this show ne. Ola indoda yakhe imthole alale. Baba kirele bale omunye phezu komunye. Baba like bayifakile. So yeah, you find your wife and the other endlini yakho empedeni wakho, and then uza nenyanga yakho ukuthi baze bayiphume uzilele inyanga. So apparently the guy that was offering the wife now ayisabireka and then the wife liyena uri ekitsebi udiala ke mara ayisale motho ya ka mo le baning since whatever that happened. Then the lady came with cameras again. They went to the guy now. Ba khopela the guy uthusho gore phela hayi ngicela ungiyeke phela mfethu angisho sesiyekene phela mina ngifuna nalokho uthi nami ngicela ucolo phela ayibuyisa into yami ime guy. I don't know where is that nyanga. I don't even know ukuthi ngamthola kephi mina bengindlula abantu baphekisa amaphepha ngathatha amaphepha ngamfonela unyanga wayenza umsebenzi wakhe. So mina manje ene mina benza ngathi anibulala mina ngithe ngifuna ukuthola umuntu olala nomfazi wami yelesa yenzile ukudlula le angendawo. It's not my fault. You did that out of your what. So le ndoda masikhulumeni ngayo ke yena siyamblame or asimblame lo baba lo olanda inyanga ukuthi yathola umfazi wakhe because manje umntana abantu akasavukelwa phela naye
like umgrille jong
wathole empedeni ukuthi baze
no before kinya kutsoro before bakira or before yeko sangoma yakho uri mina ngithe ngifuna ukuthola umuntu olala nendoda yami utshoro already na suspect
no, he was already told angire la tseba le gona so wa ba tseba banna ba bangwe ke batho ba le bore even if maybe there's some suspicion, I see something there, but let me see it. Ngifuna ukuyibonela kodwa ngazi ukuthi wayemuntu ayibonele ngenhliziyo embi kanje and banalibana because the lady was like ke mama mucha papa mama imara basadile lina mara la lawyer all over asikomota tsa obuleji all over
kodwa ungaba blame ngeke uba blame at the same time.
What are you saying?
Yebo omunye umuntu uyenzela ukuthi like ngayibeka kanjani ngifuna ukuprotecta umuzi wami yena uyenzela enemene ukuthi ngifuna ukuprotecta umuzi wami ini angacabanga ukuthi uyizomosha impilo omunye umuntu or kanjani yabona ukuthi ngifuna ukubona lo ongijolela nomkwami ngifuna ukumkhomba
ngomthakathi
awu ayenze njani
ngiyabuza
ayenze njani
mara kayisingasithakathani phela thina sinkoloto mawusibona ngathi ngiyakunyela phela ungitshela ukuthi ngihambe sikantoya sinangwana ma wakafa khani
kodwa lo uyenzelani into oyenzayo
I'm saying they should stop ngiyenzela ukujola
lo lo kufeba lo nendoda uyenzelani
what if la lo ukhangana naye amtshela ukuthi akana ndoda
at the end beside that
ngisho lo mfazi uyenzelani
no beside that at the end of the day life yona ngokwalo injalo never fair so le ukuthi manje nina
wena ulusena nomfebe belife ngomthakathi
hayi guys
umfebe bukhona simthole la sobushiya la
yes
phele sibali dala abantu bafeva
and ekudala people were afraid bathi labo kuthakathwa khona bebasho ukuthi ubani bani uyathakatha if bakuthule bebayenzani bebabulala now we have normalized ukuthakathi it's nice hence manje nabantu sebayavuka baba bancane kusasa bavuka bathi kusasa bathi cause ki normal umama ngalothakatha
babonisa na TV
yeah omunye aza kutshele now people are doing
reality show imagine kuma reality show umuntu akubonisa ukuthi mina ngithakatha kanje
ngithatha umoya womuntu kanje others they're doing content bahamba baye komathuneni ngabathu bari bam hey content yale malisha lela wandele ukukra bathu komabithe ngabo malini
ukuthakathi lo bane ukuneta le country yethu
bathakatha balabelungu laba bathakatha babalena abo Trump laba
mfethu
manje bona bathakatha thina singanalutho
hona mo cause ngwana wamona bathakathile ngumntwana abantu
sibe imbumba sithi
ngemuthi ngembiza
angithi thina usebenzisa bona bayaqala
masipha kuloje in the name of Jesus fire
hallelujah
amen
fire
no sarvucha ka story so skwile nkoko taxi
ntatoko taxi ngithona lilifa ubona lifa ulabulela kathe aranya mphuma phansi angizohlanyelwa mina uma phansi mina Anginangane wazi ngisoma ngembuka ngathi hayibo ma wena wangenza njani uma wathi
Nelemzulu.
ngizomsupporta ngizayenza angamtsho ukuthi hayibo usupportani wena uyasupport into engekho and vele umntwana sekanyamona uyazulazula nje uyofana naye lo kuri wambona already uyabili athi akamulibele komro ha sisi mina noma ngangibheka ngicuma phansi mina futhi bengeke ngize ngifike na ku media mina ngibhalisile vele ngicuma phansi
ngakafiki na ku media vele.
are nibengeke nize emncwabeni wakhona ninqwaba into enjani siyibizani yona le athi umnyaka ethi ubuso obuthe hey ngimcuma phansi gari yo and nami ngazuza ngithi wena
Uyabona sometimes into ezikanje if yenzakala even if bengingafuna ukuthala ungathala ngaye lo. Wenza imali once ngaye. Ngiyakutshela lo muntu lo obvious kayibayithi yini. Barkin kitokoloshi. Seka inkonkoni. Ngcono menza inkonkoni lethi imali endlini.
kodwa
Oh.
manje shothi I
Hectic.
what the fuck
ama sibling wenu awekho safe ngiyanitshela nje
mara I believe bafuna
Hayi.
I believe noma bathi bafuna into abari mthoko obohlakala so beyisha ukakhendla kantu 95 years wena banyaka dili kaswele naba motsheri ba mudi ya motho 95
Unale look ya 95 fika I mind of a 31-year-old.
but that's
Uzothwala kahle.
So the children
angeke
jeans tshele
no angeke cause namanje uyakhohlwa ukuthi lo muntu lo like the questions that they're asking ne you can see ukuthi babuza ingane but umuntu okay yo mara uzile bambuza ama question astapa kanjani yo
because the road of kakwana kani idea change because
alungwana afihlele makho
Fresh innovative ideas.
sekilo bana motho le so marara wait the wele ntse ngatengele mbora mara uso ha go dule ya bella di
Like,
next
no, Dora, wana chemical o berekisang.
asiyo
Eda, no, 1K araka,
So,
2K arata.
that she has some tea una le meno
Asas cho.
ka mokgona na la ka ona
nkara oh mara ke mohlolo tsa ntwe ba dile ngwana ola ne
a wona ke mohlolo
oh guys ele ke mohlolo le wa family it's something elori it's a trauma everyone's not right ka mo family and
There
laba
was like the other one that I saw one on this body pizza type of thing. It was a guy, like he kept on growing tall. He couldn't stop. Like he just kept on growing up. Until forever. He doesn't stop growing. Until like they have to do like a brain surgery to like cut the tumor there.
like little trauma
but again brain surgery gona ba phila ba re e dangerous
It's dangerous because the tumor is already probably big. Because if it has like done that much damage, understand? Yeah.
a mehlola le fa se cage wena
I'm so
Kasi-
He couldn't
scared
even like fit on the X-ray. They had to like they wanted to do like an X-ray and check you the whole of it, but half of it.
una le msadi o tlo bona una le msadi
oh
I'm sure
Yes.
oh
Ra
ke
bona.
tsiba mos basadi basadi wa re tseba basadi una le msadi ke
mara basadi vele ka nnete bana la sebete
sisibedi
Eh.
ke lerato
ai
rata monnare
sela ke sebete se
baby come down
yo
ka khala nifunana namamobo iza nenye topic
ufuna ukuthini kimi
I look bengifuna ukusho
cause ngiyakubona ufuna ukungidelela
Uyafuna ukukhuluma.
ya ufuna ukungidelela ufuna ukungidelela naye ingane lokuthi bafuna ukungidelela because I mean I'm saying but then I think I have tumor something because I have something that is growing under my
which is oh
No, that's not a tumor. That's a lump. Like the difference between like a cyst and
Under your what?
you don't want to
under your
know
armpit
my armpit is so bad
asi barking
What?
ka spade barking
Mm-mm.
itumbu asitumbu
thumbu lo tsamaya ke na le thumbu la for dies the kingdom le thumbu for 9
it's
years
like a cyst and a lipoma. Ne? So I think that one it's like it's just a cyst. It's just a couple of tissue and fat.
yeah no fat it's tissue
Oh.
no fat
Tissue.
oh
no fat
That at like one place.
yeah it's
Yeah.
not gonna be fat
So it's not like a
It's
tumor
tissue.
thingy.
ora re kana kwela o lose weight
no it's been here nakutshikile isidudla ne it was so
Oh, really
huge
one?
because yo nakutshikile isidudla gona libile ne le so
Fat.
ekere zali yona wabo so now that I've lost weight ayikho
Also lost.
Oh,
Yeah,
lona way way.
yeah,
But the tissue still there.
but the tissue is there. So
Oh.
I once went somewhere and then they said they
Oh,
would do
it's probably
something.
like a
So I
pin
had to
cells.
run.
Ukoloyi wona zange abukonsini.
No, azange nahano rekababulu because that one I had to Google it and I see I'm not the only one who has it. Others they don't have problem with it. But and it's fine with them. But with me, because then I just don't wanna say okay, especially but so I was like, I'm coming back, let me just go Roda
Yeah.
work. And
Wana pa wile.
Anapa aile.
Le no was I met ro.
no, they know I'm coming. They know I'm
Ba
coming.
prepared
About
everything, it was
like
like
about
Lily said,
Charlie
they
Togo
did it.
or by Kata yona boy yetsa operation.
Nabanchulu gets already Nikito Kulu because Nishiki Batami Molanker like this.
Yeah.
And then they did that thing in there. And then I was like, no, before you start, let me go pee, I'll be back right now because I'm so pressed. I wanna I'll be back right now. They said, fine, go.
Gone.
And I went outside.
Imagine.
But I didn't take the file. I'm not that bad. I just left
Imagine
the
what
file on the chair.
Like
Like,
ke ma 130 ko di jene ke ma 130 o lo 130 ko spekele.
for what?
O chabile
Take care
again.
of yourself. What do you mean?
Escaped from hospital.
You know, man, bro, what was
That
bad?
time.
What was bad was, when you get in there, how do you get around and like this?
O bona di kretse no go tsara o a se nna o.
Uncle William,
Ya se
Mama
toseno.
Garote.
And I'm like, what's happening here?
Mang ka mpha-
But yeah, and then Dr. Fitla,
Aramo.
About to say.
I'm coming back. I'm very pressed. I went out. They know I'm coming. So today, but I lost weight.
Mara
I'm happy that because every time go winter, ne react. You remember? Go winter, Rotonya, ne dumba,
Aw.
ebabuhlungu. So ngoku kuyabanda kuyachisa mntu asekhaya hawa sichelile.
Ah.
Sichelile. Yaqonda?
Uzwile ngalabantwana laba abayenza Sarafina le eValley.
What
Yeah,
about Sarafina?
ngiyadlala not Sarafina abantwana besikolo
Benza.
aba strike bahamba nematch ba chase ama foreigners.
Abantwana besikolo,
Oh.
abantwana besikolo.
Mara abantwana besikolo bayenzana ku match and match.
Abantwana besikolo, wazi ngaze
Ngoba kumele
ngahlanga.
bafunde bona.
They are fighting for their future.
Mara bakhona ama match.
But
and
at that
match.
attention, they want to take
At some
Bafuna
point,
ukuba ubu
look at Karbar
June
Decision.
16.
At some point, like the other youth that's supposed to sing us, ne? Look at this. As much as we want foreigners to go, ne? Mara, we forget all these foreigners are still our brothers and sisters. Are like our closest friends and colleagues. Understand? Ka tsho re dula le bona.
I know.
Mostly re ba hirishitse or
Yeah.
re dula le bona in the house, you understand? So if you take that person as a best friend, you wouldn't be happy gore me bathe ba foreigner wonke ahambe. You also wish ukuthi wonke ahambe, but except umngani wami.
At this point, I don't expect him going
Bani.
asilifasi la bona re kweka bana.
At this point,
Re
do we
lokisa
say they
lefatshe.
all must
A re
go?
ko and you know what?
Exactly. So since all we want everyone to fight. Tlohelle bana ba sekolo.
Le bona balwe.
What else?
Aba faila
Abara
moro.
tobala
Aba faila moro.
ne se se fa esa ba fa attention ba re ba fa attention. Ya
Ke bana
liswina.
ba sekolo ba like what high school? Is it high school?
No, it's not high school.
yes.
High school.
Yes.
Okay, awona bawe.
Buka strike bana ba primary to sen.
No, Libya, I'm not even on this institution. I'm
Because, like,
thinking
Oh.
that the varsity there. I'm talking about kidding.
Akere.
I was talking about you kidding, know this. I'm
Mara
not,
le ka nta ke o lo ga matcha bana
No,
ba
no,
sekolo
bitjang.
ba university.
Abo-
Di tertiary barke.
The candidates.
yes, I thought they are candidates. No, I was thinking maybe kidi candidates JDD. Okay, so no hile high school. Bana ba high school ba ringi? Ba re chumja bana ba re ba tsamaye?
Ba strike.
Ba shifuna ukushawa. Nifuna
Hawu.
ukushawa nina.
Bana ba esikolong,
Stop.
bana ba thodi ya mbereko.
Stop. Anifuna ukufunda.
Hawu.
Anifuna ukufunda ninqolile.
Bako aba fila mo bako ba ni bonile be se strike. Ba
strike la
ba
bani.
tshele o bana re ba yo strike
They
bona.
are saving their country.
From who?
Bakhona abantu
From
abayenza lo
foreigners.
msebenzi.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
Hence they're getting it
like
wrong. They don't even know what they're
Why?
doing. That's why when I live at house.
Ke bona bona bana
Eh.
ba ke bona ba ile lutha.
Eh, ba betha batho.
Wa bona mola ba re ke match and match ba re ke
Match
match
and
ya
nice ya
peaceful
peace.
eh.
O tlo bona bana ba tlo
bona
dira-
ba ile jwantsele.
Mpiaje, they will thoma dia tsena dijo tsa
Ba chisa
makula.
dikoloi.
Mara ngisho mina kusibonke abantwana besikolo lapha ba strike hayilabo abajoina
Abathandizile.
amalentuzane bathi
Ama struggle what. Amani.
Those school unions, ne?
Oh Oh, now I was chilling. Phela mawuthi isikole thina sithi kuphimika mfanteni.
mina ilitewe ngicabanga ngakhona
Yeah.
suggestion yami.
Oh, so uyacabanga manje.
So, ngicabanga yena.
Ukhuta khudada khungada
ngibona abantwana besikolo bastrike mina bathi esifuna abantu intuzana bahamba
Bahamba.
yebo bahamba ne
no bona babahambisa kahle, truth be told, because now
Yes.
I love the fact that we are not being xenophobic. If people they think we are, it's fine, but babahambisa ngakhona bathi mabahambe baye gae. If ba nyaka lokisha dula ba tla lokisha dula, and they will come back here if le gona nto ba itlisha mo ina le mohola ankere so that people they should just go and better their life as much as bathi siyatswafa nathi siyeni la
Re tswafa.
nokutswafa bethi sale sinyala sidlala sichamala sidlala angisho siyanya siyadla.
yes true that
Hey, guys, did you see Winnie Mandela ba re gona le basadi ba ithu ba rapileng mojita?
Ni
Basadi ba ithu ko Winnie Mandela ba
Oh.
rapileng mojita.
okay.
My God. I don't know.
What happened? The guy was drunk.
I don't know le nna ka se bala botse story sela. Mathabeng ze uthi ya was patang. Awusiphathanga
hayi mina nginozimangalela mina ukuthi
Awuthi akakhona ngithi yasazi mina.
hayi cha ngiyamangala mina ukuthi awu ba-rape umjita
Kanjani? Beba kuphi? Beba buyaphi?
Hey wena. Ka ba ka le nebe ke maketše ke bona story se go thebisa online ke a jo gore a wa bana.
kodwa
Jale ke
leyo
kwa me
mayeleni
fe.
okuyivusa uyivusa willing so uzoyilalisa willing so
Sila sibusali kanti wena nokusililisa nibusa.
No, this lady saying they were raping him, but she was like,
Oh.
that's what she's saying. Because now we don't
Oh
understand.
baba qeta bazoyilalisa willingly te no khuluma ngakhona.
But I don't even this life. Marle first can it be? Banyana ba winning, but never try go ban.
Ay awa.
awodwa
Mara basadi le bona ba rape mos. It's not the first time.
No, I know
I
that, but now the
can't
fact that Kiko winning, I feel like it's so close and Mushimano ba tlogetše
Oh.
We are just shocked about another rape
Yes,
case, you understand?
like
what are you
Ibasadi.
doing, dog?
nakhona mina
Kunini.
ngiya-imagine ukuthi kanjani like
we can't see the.
bebadakiwe
But
noma-
two men, both aged 26 years from Winnie Mandela Zone 4, Tembisa, were arrested for raping 32-year-old man. According to the victims, he was in a local tavern at Winnie Mandela Zone, and when he met the two ladies, so it means vele ne ba le ko tavern.
Ya,
Ke le
bebadakiwe.
boditse, ke re ke tsone ba le ka. Tswela pele.
Ke tšwele pele ke bale.
Eh,
Nna ke re le kwele le story le nyaka gore kwa ka tavern. They drank together, and later the women suggested that they all three go to their rented backyard room. This is where the men's ordeal began. He was pushed on the bed with one woman holding his hands while the others stripped him naked and started sucking his private part. After a struggle, the victim managed to reach for the key and open the burglar and door.
okay. What you guys?
Was enjoying it.
Yeah, okay,
Hayibo,
okay,
like no, I'm like he didn't even bathwane ba mokata gape. Guys, like ne ba mokata. I don't know what you guys dilo. Okay. Winnie Mandela.
Nagana.
Winnie.
Omunye umbambile. So raure
Like wishisha mara
Yeah,
lo muntu
man.
beba mripa guys ngempela. So uphunyukile in the sense. Ayisho bam musakile yena ewe. Achaba. Hayi basadi ba South Africa. Banyana nama 26 years.
so Aish.
Ha. Baripa motho 32. Papa oh mara malume. Ah yena naye ka bona ka.
Mara
What
kusanya
if,
kubusa
like,
hore
if-
na ya
if
kae le
I
bona.
yena ne bona le what banyana ba ba reng?
What do you think? What do you think?
I can like men sometimes justify rape, but what was she wearing? So
Oh.
now my question is, what was he wearing?
Yeah. It's on my timing. Ke no rata mpea hore. What was she
What
wearing?
was he wearing?
What was he wearing? I think he was wearing something and
Tell
then
us about
the
that.
girls were like
Yes, yes.
Daddy.
Or da go bontsha rena banyana ba let's hope.
Mara yena o
ne
dumella go tsamaya le bona ba le three at the same time.
ba di tiri banyana ba. Ne ba di two nke three ka
O wa
yena.
ba tsamaya.
Two,
Ne ba le
yeah,
two
three
three ka
ka
yena.
yebo ayi le story sabo lesa kodwa hayi asikholwe kusona indoda cha ngo
Ah, we are
How?
trying to
Indoda
you are the one
wouldn't-
who's doing this now.
Indoda
You are the one
wouldn't
who's
think
doing this
you
now.
would get raped by
Right.
two girls, you understand?
Yeah, maybe he thought
doesn't
batla na
even
chilanyana.
need
Maybe he
to
wanted
say
one.
rape.
Sometimes guys singahamba
Even if
sonke.
bekusana rape mara immediately bara re tsamaya le wena ko peke ko roomong ya rena
I'll
really
understand.
too obvious.
Understand me. I'm saying maybe yena naboni ghost, not me.
Eh.
Vatsho no ke show ma aggressive ko na samunyaki. Wa bona na ilatsa ko ne ba samunyaki at all. Ona ba munyaka la tsore le tsoso. Ku re pele munshimane la bona e phelile yami. Cause ku bona ijalo. There's these girls who always think that everybody
And
wants me.
sometimes it's a matter of like you didn't ask. Maybe he didn't mind, but like what if they did it aggressively and they didn't ask?
And you
about
he
it?
start to think some things already
Yeah.
balwala because
Like when it's
and
like
this
what
is
if
who
they
they
did-
are.
Let's use condoms. Ka ba khopetse di
So if it's
condoms.
like something that they didn't want, ke rape. What
Ke
if
rape.
Eh, o bona
it's
ke
condom?
kry a re berekiseng condom ba re
Ke
na condom and then ba
rape. No,
ntshwara
ba
monna
rape
fela
ile
pele.
nna ke
Yeah,
mo
that's a
tshepa.
rape,
They
yeah.
They
raped him.
seduced him in a
Yes.
nice manner.
Yeah.
And then they were like, okay, they proposed like a threesome and type of thing. They wouldn't be like,
Yes, if never mudije sharp. Yeah.
So-
So some guys are tshwane. Lena le kana la nkare le pona ke lena. But there are those guys who prefers to be you know when you my girl. And already these girls they know hore na ira dilema. Mara o mongwe sa o armadra molla ga mo ga ondore ke rene. Ra montsha maseba hore da monamela. Mara yena na tsebe hore mmata. Rona ka wena mo.
Eish, yeah.
maybe hayi laba mhlawumbe laba banemali ne
South Africa kunzima bafethu abantwana bathandana nabantu bavuka bagugile. Abantwana bethu labasibazela abantwana bethu, our son, our kids, our boys, they go out, they have fun, they get wasted, they chill with those girls, they get smashed, they get raped,
they get
amadoda.
cracked.
And then now South Africa is busy. We are not chasing them, but we are just saying, everybody go home, go fix your things, don't come back, make your world a better place for you and your kids. Stop buying noodles from this side to that side, manufacture your noodles.
Amen.
And what?
Get amen.
She's saying amen. Like I'm
Oh,
like,
She's
amen.
been preaching.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Yeah.
well, you know one thing I hate about you all. You guys think
Why
that
do you have to say you all?
Hey.
it's you all every day.
Okay, let's hear her.
You guys think that I'm made out of stones.
What do you mean? Cause
Oh Lord, I'm done. I will explain. Yeah.
let's do a cruise area like
George
sure, abonore. Even stone.
Didn't you say you were in Bogoto and stuff?
Le
You said,
khale le
like,
swika
you're
le
the
dire next
strongest.
mo. So abone if you
Yeah.
are made of this thing.
And everything that I say,
La motho a ka tsena mara shupa ka sethunya re ro lebella wena ro
Our shield
protect.
is you.
everything that I say, they keep it. They make sure they keep it, and then they come back for me. When did I say I'm like this? When did I say I'm this and that? Where was I? What
You
was the
said it
fucking
last week
conversation?
and you were
Ke
sitting
tshwantshele
right
ntweng, now
there.
it's about to get when it's our bed so when also. I've never said that. They don't take me serious. Man just have. And this thing is so I would never even likhale ke rati. I would like ke thoma ka khala jwa. Should I continue?
No.
Thank you. Guys,
Amen.
Oh
Yeah,
my
you were
God.
closing. Mos.
sharp. It's not living. I'm fine.
Ah,
Do whatever that
Felix,
you guys are
close.
doing. Guys, I love you. And when I come back next, guys, next week when I come back, I have something good to show you. I have something good to share with you guys. Because a lot of you have been
Oh.
asking questions. So I want to cancel that thing which I need. I am not rich.
Oh.
You know there is something for give sola. So it's quite the niance. Ah eh? Nabantu bam. Vala umlomo.
Now we have that. Mara
yazi mina ayeye
Khuluma.
one thing about mina ne
Yeah.
I'm an advice taker ne and ngiyamamela mina
Oh.
Yeah.
yeah
Yes.
Oh.
enye into bangitshela ukuthi mo kaminwel ungazibhambatheli yabona angisazibhambatheli jolo
Kanti ufuna ukuchina.
awuvale wayne
Esibale ufuna ukuchina vele.
ubani into ngifuna ukuchina
Ngiyabuza mina angithi ba uthe ufuna usilingana nezaka dozen phela uzibonile into lezaka dozen ukuthi singakanani.
yeah
Yes, but
So ufuna
now
isilingane nezakhe wena.
ukuthi silingane nezami he knows ukuthi wenzani uyakama awubambathisi unodla dla
Yabo.
angisho bathi lokhu igama ikamela iyale so lokhu ungama uyenza ndlangu iyandlaku wabo
Iyahansi,
so
hansi.
iyahanzi
Yeah.
iyahanzi so lokhu ya ya he yayendla ya he
iyenhla
angel ya he
iyenhla
yayendla
iyenhla
yayendla yeah or
Yes.
kushisha so
Okay,
that's
this
us
is not a Chisonga lesson, everybody. And
Aye.
Ooh,
thank you so much
Na
for
na re lapile
having
so ba ke re
us.
bolela
Thank you
Setsonga
so
yo.
much for being here. And we will do the Shisonga license after this. Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, Santanda nonke makhaya, and I need this guy to give you something, and I will give you something. Ngicela
Sivaleni
bavalelise lapha.
kanjalo sithi we boo bye bye. Bafethu cash out next week bafethu.
Disappointile sha wena, was ready for something.
Oh.
Oh, this guy
Next
unalemona.
time next.
And wazi uphuma kanjani ngesi-Afrikaans namhlanje.
Asiyeni
Le nto
asiyeni.
bengiyipracticeile.
Eh.
Sizoyenza next week ungawari. And wazi next week masenza senza njani? Nje. So vele sithi. Diploma fund mani semyere. Sayivala ngisho.
Uyothini?
Uyizula ngisho.
Africans.
Ka-Afrikaans.
Sibali uyothini? Besibali khala la.
Yeah, siyivala kahle. Bye my people. Yeah. Sizovala kahle.
Asivaleni. Asithi we Awusa press
Yes, ke yona. Goes to hwile le gale, goes to fade away, o hwile o fufile.
Ngizwe uyakhanyisa, phakela uyakhokhela, yathinta umenge nkalipho, bakhusela ilizwe lethu, kudala sibukele sopaka, abanye besilwela phambili, mamhlanje liphasha lokubuka, sime sonke ngobunye, amakhosa amazulu, amaSotho namaTswana, asingobantu bokwatsowana, singabantwana belizwe elinye, masime sonke sibambene, sakheka